Okay, you guys. So this is gonna be my first. Well, it's not really my first, but it's gonna be. Okay, so this is a Mannequin kit. I got from Amazon. This is what the box looks like. This is what it came in. First off, I'm gonna say that this is Mannequin here, but okay. It came with these elastic rubber bands, elastic rubber bands, some hair ties, a comb and a ratchet comb, one clip, and then also you have an extra set of, what would this be, a mannequin holder. But this is going to be on for like if you want to put it on a table and you don't necessarily have a tripod. So yes, and in this video I decided because last time I used this, I don't know, I didn't do it. It's not there. It's not the machine. Okay, it's not the fucking machine. It was my ass. So I'm going to redo this all over and actually test out this mannequin head on with this mannequin hair. I did nothing but just put it on the mannequin head or this little tripod stand, mannequin stand. I don't know what you call it, but I put it on there. For your focus. Yes, so I didn't even get anything, but I'm going to attempt to do some cute little waves just because I've got some little wigs that, I'm trying to play around with. But this is the waver that we're going to be using. Oh, yeah, yeah, you see that? You see it. What did I say? Paul Mitchell. Yes. So, no, it's not Paul. I wish it was. Paul Mitchell. I'm one of your biggest fans. Let me tell you. You don't know how much that fan. Well, let me pause. Okay, so I was extremely hungry. So the healing process, and this I think is pretty nifty. Like, I don't know, I like everything about this. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna let y'all know this here is extremely soft. Like, okay, it's soft. What's the next one? Some really? No. I was just thinking crazy stuff. But, this ain't too bad. Like, whatever you ever chose to use on this mannequin head, touche. Touche. Like, this shit is thick. You see how thick this hair is? This shit is thick. This hair is thick. Oh, yeah. If you are a beauty enthusiast or anyone wanting to just kind of, do stuff for yourself and not necessarily we on the frugal life. So I'm promoting frugal life. If you're a part of the frugal life, holla at your girl. Because if you just want to learn to do stuff yourself, tag along. We're gonna do this shit together. Because let me tell you something. This will be some great weave hair. I just had to say it. I'm very, very shocked at this hair. I'm just somebody that, played around with a lot of synthetic hair. I mean, a lot of synthetic hair. Human hair blends, and this could be the best human hair blend of your life. Because this is definitely not 100% human hair, but this is giving, this is giving a nice blend of human hair and synthetic. Oh, yes. And I might, this could honestly, the human hair might outweigh the synthetic hair of this, just because of the way it feels. It is extremely nice. Extremely nice. I notice you do get different tones as well of this hair. So, that could be, the blend. Oh, also, this is what her face looks like. And for anyone that likes to practice makeup, you could definitely practice makeup on her. Just because it's very, silicone. So, yeah, you could definitely get away with, doing some makeup if you want to, get into doing makeup. This hair, is very, very interesting. I could dig it. Okay. I'm gonna put this hair up in a ponytail. Oh, and I decided to name her Mannequin. So yes, that is her name. I had a nail hand in her hand. Her name is Nebula, but we ain't gonna get into Nebula because we currently don't even have Nebula. We actually have to get another Nebula. Okay, Nebula, we get it. I hope you get it. But yes, so I'm gonna just honestly. Okay, yeah. Anyways, but yeah, you see how long this hair is too. It's giving inches. So if you also want to play around with trimming of the hair, you can definitely do that. But yeah, I don't know. I hope y'all can really see the quality because this hair is actually really, really good. But this is gonna be my first time, y'all, doing this, so bear with me, okay? Bear with me. I don't really know how you're supposed to be doing this. Oh shit. Yeah. Y'all. Y'all. I know y'all see it. You see? Oh, the fucking wave. The fucking wave. The fucking. Y'all. Okay. Honest. Honest. Why could you really, if you really wanted to, y'all, you could literally get away with doing a nice little finger wave with this motherfucker. I mean, I'm so sorry. With this Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Expression Wave Press. Let me put some respect on this tool's name. Because the first time I did this, and I honestly think that I might have way too much here. But what? And I'm only using 320. That's the perfect setting. Honestly, you could probably go lower, but I'm not. I'm keeping it at 320. You know what I'm saying? Like I like the way that it everything. I like it. Oh my god. Look at them making everything easier. Look at that ugly looking Barney doll. I'm just joking. Okay, I'm so sorry. My son was just kidding. He wanted to really just chime in because, you know, he likes to be a part of what Mommy be doing. So, oh, you know, I think I might have him my next review. I think I might have him be a part of it. Just so he can, you know, join in. But y'all, I highly recommend if you want to achieve waves, and I'm talking about actual waves, for real deal waves, like you see on this mannequin head. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But yes, look at that, like literally. And can we give a round of applause to the hair, to the quality of the hair on this mannequin head? Just because for anyone, like I said, wanting to just achieve the same look and not have to go to a hair salon, I'm not knocking anyone. But for the ladies like me that personally love to save money and like to get the bang for their dollars, because that's just me, okay? Because realistically, if you want something like this, you're paying a pretty penny. And I have not been to a hairstylist in years, so I don't even know what the game is like anymore. But I know that some hairstylists ain't offering washing and drying. I'm just saying, okay? I'm just saying. So, you can achieve this. You can definitely achieve this. You know I'm all about us achieving this together. So let us achieve this together because look at this. Okay, let's do another piece just because I'm excited. And I'm really, for real, shocked right now at this damn hair. Like, go hair, go. Literally, we making it. Like I said, y'all. Like I said, this hair alone. This hair alone. This hair alone. It's really good hair. Alright. So let me, so I can see a little bit better. Alright, I'm just looking at y'all. Alright. Oh, so this one. You know what this is giving me? I don't know why, but Titanic definitely popped into my head while doing this. And it's only because of Rose's beautiful curly wavy hair. So yeah, she's just popping my head. And this hair, oh, this hair. I keep calling it a wig. Let me get this damn thing correct. It is a mannequin wig, not a damn wig. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna start from the roots and work our way down. And I also did a smaller section than the first time as well, just because I wanted to, you know, see what happens just with a smaller section. What's not exactly happen, what kind of definition we get, and what kind of waves we create in a smaller section. So that's the other reason why I wanted to do something, you know. Ooh, I might just do another one, okay? hear me out, because I really would like to see what happens if you just were to just drag it out. You know what I mean? Like a straightener, but because of it having the bumps, would it just create definition? Would it create texture? Well, of course it's going to create some texture, but what kind of texture definition would we get if we were to just straighten that baby out like a straightener? And also, in between each clamping, I guess you would want to call it, I wait about maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'm going on to the next area. And then also, too, trying to make sure I don't go, like, I want to make sure that I'm not staying within because of how wide this is. I'm just, you'll see what I'm talking about. Because I can't explain it. But I'm going to the end, so where this ends, this is where I'm going to start at. Yes. And it's already creating a really beautiful, like, honestly, y'all, you get way more. Okay. Right off the bat, if you want those beautiful Jessica Rabbit ass curls, you would probably want to do a section that is about, what would this be? Maybe like 2 inches, 3 inches in width, because this is going to achieve those beautiful, beautiful Jessica Rabbit waves. So, okay, yes, so it just depends on how much hair you take out. You will get more of these looser defined curls if you, so you will get more looser defined curls if you end up taking out sections, I would say, in like 5 inches, 5 inch section. If you took out a 5 inch section, this is what the wave pattern that you would achieve. And that's more like, a loose, this is more like a loose wave. It's very loose. The waves are loose. They're not too deep. They're not too defined, but baby. I know, oh, y'all see it. Y'all see that wave? Y'all see that wave? You see the definition. You see how deep them curls are. Like, look how deep those curls are in comparison. So yes, you want to definitely, it might take a little bit more time, but if you want these waves, yes. And I love the S. Like, this is just giving perfection. When it, like, literally, honestly, ladies, if you had hair this short, you could get away with doing an S wave using this item. Make your life easier. You see that? Because even with your hair being about what, 5 inches or so, 8 inches or so, you would be able to achieve an S wave. Yes, and then you just clamp it. If you want to keep this nice deep wave, you would clamp each section as you go, of course, hairspraying it as you go, just to make sure that you hold that definition. But I don't know, this hair is just holding up. This hair is holding up. Okay, this hair from this mannequin is holding up. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one just to see now, because this damn mannequin thing done started something. It done started something. Alright. It doesn't. Okay, so this time I'm actually going to end up using the rat tail comb that I got in the package. Oh, this is honestly a really, this is good. This is straight. This is straight. I mean, this is honestly good. Let me not, But this is a good little comb. We're happy. We're happy. Alright, and then so for this section, I decided, what is that? It's like some fuzz. So you might get a little bit of fuzz. Oh, that's fine. Oh, that's hair going on. I'm scared of that. But, I mean, my hair, I don't know. But it just hurts. Okay? But, I'm about to put this hair back in the ponytail, and I'm going to see what type of definition and patterns we're going to create with this Wave Express tool from Paul Mitchell's, and see what definition is created with this piece of hair. And again, this piece of hair is going to be like a little bit thicker. It's about the same in thickness or width, shall I say, as the front piece, but it might be a little bit lighter. So I actually might end up putting this in two just to see. So I'm gonna do, yeah. So I'm gonna do two pieces. I'm gonna do this piece and just kind of go over it. But I'm gonna also wait a few seconds before I just, slide it there. Okay, so I don't think it's gonna do anything. It didn't do anything. No way. Y'all, I'm shocked. I thought it would do something. but it didn't. Okay, so no, you do not. So yes, I'm happy that we did. We got to see. So yeah, if you just yeah, but main purpose is wait. Don't do what I just did, okay? But like I said, I wanted to see, so we see, okay? Oh, y'all, okay, hear me out. But each, you know, and I should have took out my bag of clamps just to kind of see what would happen, but we can do that this time. So now we just gonna see. Okay, also, my phone might end up peeking out. If it does, y'all know the finished outcome of this. I definitely rate this a 10 out of 10. I highly suggest everyone to get both of these items off of Amazon. I will make sure to screenshot my little list so that y'all can see. And then with the parliamentary vacancies, you don't see really easy like 2 seconds, hold that power button, and then it turns right on off. Literally, I don't even know, 2 seconds, and it shuts right on off. So, super fast heat up process. You achieve beautiful waves, very detailed waves, as you see, like Miss Mannequin is, mannequining because these waves are waving at this point. The definition is beautiful. And like I said, this does have different tones of variation of color, but that is completely fine. But all in all, I'm very, very happy. Very happy with these waves. Like, look at these waves, y'all. Like, I didn't even add no hairspray or anything. That's the beauty of it. I didn't add anything. This is just right out the box. Mannequin head. Right into curling. This is what I got. I am super excited. I can't wait to use this item on my wigs because I will definitely be giving you guys reviews on which hairs I decide to do, especially to achieve some S waves. S waves on short hair? Are you kidding me? Y'all, I'm so serious. Like, you see the definition. Literally, literally. I mean, either way, I guess doing it is really easy, but if you don't know how to do finger waves, and you want to get an S wave without doing finger waves, if you ain't got that type of skill, because baby, I only got that type of skill for the front. Okay, I don't know about the back, but I'm just saying, you're getting variations all day, every day. So yeah. Oh yeah, and you can get different variations. You can get just a slight S wave that's very loose. So if you want more of a loose wave pattern, or if you want more of that deep wave, you can definitely get a deep wave. It just honestly just depends on your mood. So yeah, thank you. Definitely go check this out. Please. And review these items. Let Mr. Paul Mitchell know how his tools are working. Because baby, this one is working absolutely amazing. Yes, I'm happy. So yeah. I hope you like my review. Also, I hope you like the review of Mannequin. And I hope that you go out there and give it a go, give it a try. This is Extreme from Therapeutic, and you will absolutely love this.